So today I'm gonna show you this method that this bot is using for generating money every day. Like literally about like 5K a day. Um, yeah, something crazy is going on here. So yeah, we see here this wallet just made a token on PumpFun, literally on this website by creating like start a new coin. That's literally what it did right here. So yeah, it made a token and aped in with 5 sol. And check the time. It's 41 second. On 44 second, literally like 3 seconds after this, it sold 7 sol point 2, generating over 2.2 sol in 3 seconds, which is from 600 to 1k, probably about 300 bucks, maybe 350. So yeah, it's pretty good money in a really short time. So how we do this? Basically, this is pretty easy. So all you need is like a bot that checks your wallet, detects any token that you receive in your wallet, and then sell it after 3 seconds. That's basically pretty simple, right? Alright, so the catch is you gotta make a good token, like a good launch, something that snipers would ape in, because you're basically dumping on snipers. Between this 5 sol and 7 sol, there's probably like 3 snipers, I'd say. 4, aping like with something between 1 sol to 2 sol. So yeah, basically you gotta make a token that is um, easy to snipe. Like snipers gotta, I don't know, like it goes with their filters or something like that. So basically, these snipers have filters. They filter out certain words. So let's say you made a coin called, I don't know, X Cabal. These snipers want to snipe a token that's called X Cabal, right? So basically any token that drops here on PumpFun with the ticker X Cabal, they're gonna snipe it immediately. And it's not like one sniper or two. Basically a lot of snipers do this. So yeah, all you gotta do is go in with 5 sol, maybe 4 sol sometimes. And yeah, you just make the token with 5 sol. When you make it, the the bot we're gonna use is gonna detect that you have this token in your wallet, and then he's gonna sell it after 3 seconds. You can set it selling it after 3 seconds, after 2 seconds, after 4 or 5, maybe even 7. But I've seen this work best at 3 to 5 seconds. So yeah, basically all you have to do. Hold on, before showing you the bot, I'm gonna show you this wallet over here and how much it generates. So basically, this wallet has 86 sol, right? Which is 11k. So yeah, it has 11k, but hold on, there is a catch. It's basically been sending massive money to another wallet, which is gonna be somewhere around here. There we go. This is it. 8k. It's probably about 9k, right? It's been sent into this particular wallet. So this wallet has 871k from doing this. Do you get it? Like, that's almost a million from doing only this method. This is probably like the freshest method you can find right now. Not a lot of people are doing it. Uh, I haven't seen a lot of people doing it actually. And yeah, look how much money it can generate. Like That's crazy. Me personally, I generated like made some money with it, made 5K. So yeah, this works. Anyways, so let's check this wallet. Look at this. 3K, 3 days ago, 3K, 2 days ago, 13K, 2 days ago, 6K. So he ended up doing like almost 20K in one day. That's crazy, guys. One day, 800, one day, 200. We got like 5K, 19 hours ago, 1K, 14 hours ago, 9K, 5 hours ago, and 2 hours ago we got 9K. So basically, I don't know how much is this in only one day, but this is crazy. Like, you gotta give this a shot. Maybe you can like generate a really good profit from this. And yeah, I'm here to show you the method and show you the particular bot I discovered that is doing exactly what we need right here. It's selling at 3 seconds. So all you have to do is set this bot. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and then go to PumpFun and start a new coin. Then you're gonna like add the image, add some socials, probably like uh, the tweet, the random tweet that is gonna show up with the, I don't know, the ID of your token or whatever, website, Telegram, the image, description, and ticker name. So basically, you gotta like add in the description the filter words that's used for the bot to know. No, you gotta use the filter words that is used by the sniper to snipe that particular token. Like, if you're gonna like make an Elon Musk token, the snipers that is set to snipe Elon Musk tokens will snipe this token. So yeah, make sure to use like buzzwords. I don't know, something uh, that has been going viral lately with the memes. Go see the meta, like literally go to Axiom, go to polls here, check out these, migrated, check what's the meta of the day, check what's going on, what people posting, and make something creative and make something like exclusive too. That will work eventually. And basically, if this method doesn't work and no snipers buy in, you're not like gonna lose your money. All you're gonna lose is small fees by pump fund. So yeah, it's a really low risk method, and it's the best I've seen like so far. It's not trading, it's literally generating money. Like, have you seen this? He made freaking, I don't know, 300 bucks in 3 seconds. Yeah, that's crazy. He been doing this like, look at this. On the past half an hour, he been doing this. He been buying with 5, selling with 5.5, buying with 5, selling with 7.3, buying with 5, selling 7.2, buying with 5, selling with 5. So basically this is literally break even. You're not losing anything. This is buying with 5, selling with 5.5, which is that 5.5 is that 0.5 is that can make you a lot of tokens. Like, that can make you a lot of tries. So if you success one time with this method, you can make a lot of other tries. Like, you can try a lot of times without losing any single penny. So yeah, it's really low risk, really good method. I encourage everybody to try it and see for yourself. Like, this shit is crazy, man. 800K, almost 1 million. 870K, that's crazy. So yeah, let's go to the method. So let's go. Basically, this bot is the seller bot. This bot sells any token it detects in your wallet, which prevents sniping of your pump fund launch. Basically, this bot sells any token it detects in your wallet. In 2 seconds, 3 seconds, you can set this up. Anyways, so all you gotta do is start the bot, continue. So there's 4 steps. First step, import the private key of your wallet you're using as a developer. So basically, all you gotta do is import the wallet. Please send your what? Hold on. Okay. Okay, I just imported the private key. There we go. Successfully imported wallet. So basically, all you gotta do is set it as activated, like that. So yeah, now you can go ahead and launch your new token. There we go. Start a new coin, and like go with something um, kinda unique, but still in the meta of the day. This is the best strategy I found recently. You gotta go with something snipers would like to ape in, you know, because these snipers basically use some kind of filter that filters out the some specific keywords. So like if you're gonna like launch a token about Elon Musk or about any like huge name on crypto, basically they're gonna snipe. Very simple strategy, but very effective. The key thing is making tokens that is sniperable. The key thing is making tokens that is basically um, attracts the snipers. And this is how you can make it. Like, if 2 snipers get in, you can come out with $300. Pretty easy. All you have to do is try it out and see for yourself. Basically, the bot link will be in the description below. You can go ahead and like search for it, like seller sold slash bot. Yep. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Very easy method, very simple and very effective. This is how I made this 5K right here, just from this method. So yeah, all you gotta do is try it out and see for yourself. Tell me in the comments below how that went, and yeah, see you in another video. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how this bot actually works. So we gotta put it to the test today. It's a request from the comments. You guys want to see it actually working and want to see how fast it is, how it can sell in seconds. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we have an example right here. It's a 5 sol buy. After like 3 seconds, he sold for 6.6. After 2 snipers got in. So yeah, this is basically what the bot does. It detects any token in your wallet. Like after this buy, it detects your wallet, it detects this 5 sol buy, and sells it after 3 seconds, getting you some profits. So yeah, this is pretty cool one. 700 into 900. Yeah, pretty easy one. So yeah, let's do this. Anyways, all you gotta do is come to this seller bot. The link will be in the description below, and you gotta press start, then continue. You see, here the first step is to import your private key of the wallet you're using as a dev in PumpFun. So the wallet you're deving with, you gotta like import it to the bot so it can like detect the tokens and sell them in seconds. Anyways, second step is set how many seconds you wait before selling. Alright, so we can do that right here. And the third step is to activate the bot. Then the fourth step is to go dev with that wallet, deploy your new token. So I'm gonna set the time to 3 seconds. There we go. wait time set to 3 seconds. I'm gonna import the wallet. I'm just gonna do it really fast. I just sent the private key. So yeah, successfully imported wallet. So basically the wallet is imported successfully, and all you have to do is set it to activated. So very basic stuff. Now we gotta put it to the test. So I've got this a random token that don't has a lot of transaction on it, so it can be like it can show right here. So I'm gonna copy the contract address and then gonna paste it here. Gonna do like test buy with a very little amount. So yeah, basically there we go. I just bought, and there we go. This is my buy. Check it out. Hold on. And it sold automatically in like 3 seconds. It works perfectly. I'm gonna check it. We bought at 52 second, at 56. Well, this is a 4 second, but yeah, it's like it can be sometimes like not that accurate, but it works perfectly. Let's try it again. Gonna go with buy that. Can be a problem from Dex too, like it doesn't show, but I think it's accurate. So hold on, this is my buy at, there we go. This is 3 seconds. I bought at 39 second and sold at, actually this is 2 seconds. So yeah, yeah. It's sometimes, I think Dex is not showing it like accurately, but yeah, it sells really fast. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, we got it. Hold on. It's perfectly working. Yeah. This is basically how this happens. It happens in like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, something like that. So you go in and dev with, I don't know, about 4 soul. Snipers get in, and then you sell immediately. Because these snipers, they get in like as soon as you deploy that shit, you know? So you gotta be fast. This is why we're using this bot, basically. So yeah, all you have to do is like go and dev with that same wallet, and yeah, check it out for yourself. It can get really profitable, actually. This is a wallet I'm tracking. It did like 800k in less than 2 months. Yeah, this is like a really fresh method too, and I use it personally. It generates a lot of money. I'm telling you guys, like, I made like 5k in one day with this shit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.